Alright, let's give this a shot. Saving time with Format Painter. Talking about saving time, I would like to show you all a simple trick that will save a lot of your time. For example, right now I want to clear this entire sheet. One of the simplest and easiest and fastest way is to click this button over here. This will what it will basically do is select all the cells on the current worksheet, that is practically selecting the entire worksheet. And once it has selected the entire worksheet, simply press delete button and it will clear each and every cell of the currently active worksheet. Now Format Painter, it is, say you type something in any cell, item. Since we have seen recently the power user autofill function for lists, I would like to make a list of weekdays. Item say it's ice cream, and on Monday, Tuesday I am making a data set which will show me how many ice cream bars I ate each day of the week. For this, you see, these are like the title of the table, so it is better to denote them with a different color. Say I want it to be blue. Now what else I would like is each and every item or element in the row 5 should turn into blue. One way is to personally visit each and every cell and apply it. Other is you select the entire set of cells and format it. But other way is using the Format Painter. Say I change the format to my favorite, Comic Sans. Right, and I make it bold. And now I want this same set of cell format to be applied to all the rows, all the cells in row 5. To do that, we use Format Painter. The Format Painter button is available at the home ribbon over here. The moment you hover your mouse over the button, a set of instructions is clearly shown. You can read that. For the sake, I'll just demonstrate it. You select the cell you want to copy the cell format. You click the button is shaded, denoting that the cell painter button is activated, and then you select the cell you want to have the similar cell format. Say Monday. The cell format included change of color, change of format, and bolding of the format. Now say you want to have the same cell format for all the cells C5, D5, E5 up to J5. To do that, select the cell, activate cell format, and you can do it like this. Or another way is I will be filling something in column C, and if you want the entire column C to have the cell format, you activate the cell format and select the column. Similar is true for rows, and the entire cells of the column C will have the cell format as selected. And if you enter any new data entry in the column, its default cell formatting will be the one we have chosen using cell formatter. Okay, that's it.